Hello? Wait, can you guys hear me clear?
Yes, yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Today's one I tend to make it quite short because my laptop is on less than 60 right now and I'm charging my phone. So, yep. Uh, so if I hear Sha, I just hope that all of you have submitted at least two assignments or giving me a date for you to submit. If you've not, uh, try and be on your phone and finish the assignment during this meeting because after this meeting, everybody is going down. So yeah, let's get started immediately before my laptop starts to die. Okay, so today we're going to go back and continue from we're talking about retracement. Okay, so we've spoken about retracement, reversal. Hold on. All right, so let's continue with it. First of all, I'll ask the question: does anybody not have a good idea of what a retracement is and an impulse? Does anybody have any question concerning those two concepts? No questions concerning retracement or impulse?
No.
Okay. All right. So, for those watching the recording, an impulse is simply a move in the direction of the trend. So that's an impulse move. While a retracement is a pullback, which is when people are either relaxing a little bit on the trend or preparing to go in with new positions. So if I bought Bitcoin some time ago, let's say I bought Bitcoin and I'm making money, I can take profit and say, oh wow, this Bitcoin thing is actually sweet. Then I'll now ask my family members if they want to invest, things like that, so that later on all of us will invest together. So during the time that I'm doing all that, if many people are like me and they are doing the same thing, preparing to buy again, the Bitcoin price will be dropping for some time. So that is what we call a retracement. So a retracement is simply when the market is correcting a little bit before the trend will continue again. So that's basically it. So if the retracement violates the trend, that is no longer a retracement. That is a reversal, right? So if let's say we have a trend here, and we are currently moving up. Or let me do it somewhere on that way. Let's say we have a trend. Okay, so this is a strong downtrend. Okay, so let's assume that. All right, and then after this downtrend, something started happening. We had starting to go up, so everybody's excited. Okay, an uptrend is starting. Everybody's buying, 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 and then some people may forget about this previous downtrend. They may forget that this downtrend might continue, so they keep on buying. All right, so the market may just go and stay for some time and then shock everybody and violates the uptrend by moving down. Okay, so when it quickly does that, that is a reversal. So it changes the trend direction quite fast and quick. That is when we have a reversal. All right. So um Reversals usually take something like liquidity away. So now, just right here is an example of something that you may call a reversal. Okay. Okay. So a reversal just tricks people. A reversal tricks people. All right. So you may think it's an uptrend, but it will just quickly turn around the other way and then go against you. Okay. So for example, now you may have something like this. You can see the chart here. We had uh, a downtrend now. Okay. Have a downtrend, and then it now violates the downtrend and goes up. Okay, it goes up. Somebody that is not careful, someone that is not careful may think this thing is a new uptrend. You understand? They may think that, oh, um since we are no longer doing lower lows and lower highs, that means that the price the price is now in an uptrend. Okay, but that would be a mistake because that is just a reversal condition. This thing just goes out to trick people into thinking that, oh, the downtrend is over, let's start buying. And once it takes everybody out, it will reverse. Look at how fast that was. You can see how quick it happened. All right. So that's how reversals do. You can see another example of a reversal here. We're making we made a higher high, here. So we think some people may think that, okay, this is bullishness. People may think that, okay, that's bullishness, right? We made another higher high, so um we'll be expecting another lower higher low. Pardon me. Expecting a higher low, maybe somewhere around here now. It will come down to here as a retracement and continue buying. But instead of doing that, it just violates that place and changes the trend direction. So reversals are basically meant to spook people out. It's meant to trick you. Just imagine this scenario now, all right? So if you are trading, right? So let's say you are a trader. Since if we have an uptrend like this, we have an uptrend, for example, and you believe that all these lows, all these lows are strong lows, all these lows are strong lows, all these lows are strong lows. You believe that, right? So that's our belief that in an uptrend, we make higher lows and higher highs. So that's our belief. So if we are now buying this trend, we would tend to put our stop loss behind all these places because we believe that they are strong enough and price should never come down there. They are good support. Okay, support is an area where price usually bounce up away from. And anyway, so let me draw it for you. Let's say this line here, and this is another line here. So support and resistance is basically if price is coming now and it hits here, we say that if it hits here and then it runs away, we say that this place is acting as a resistance. Okay, but if it goes above it and hits it again and then bounces off, it is now acting as a support. So support is a place in price that price bounces up away from. Okay, so price is above the support, and once it touches the support, it will bounce away from it. While resistance is a place that once the price is below it and the price comes up to touch it, the price will reverse. So that's basically the concept of support and resistance. Not very complex, very very easy. You can check YouTube for more examples of that. Right. So support and resistance, very common trading concept, very very common. That's the basics of anything that you're going to learn in trading. Just that I don't use it much, so I use it, but I use it in a different way. So that's why I didn't put it among the course outline. But once when you hear support and resistance, that's basically what I mean. So let's say we are not believing that all these places are acting as support. So we are believing that price will never come down and go below them. So we may put our stop loss there. So let me say I was able to catch this correction and okay, I may not be able to catch the very low. Most times you will not catch the low of the correction. So let me say something happened here. I was not observing the market and then I now bought around here and it was going up. Naturally, since I believe that this area is strong, I will put my stop loss there. Okay, so my stop loss will be just under here. So I'll have my SL there. My stop loss is there. Stop loss is there. Okay. So once my stop loss is there, I'll relax since I know that I've taken advantage of the uptrend. So the price will reverse, but I won't be. I mean, I've taken small profit here. I may not really be concerned. Okay, I'll just wait again. And once it comes down again, I will try and buy it again. Right. So if I have another trade here, I'll still put a new stop loss for that trade. That trade will have a new stop loss since we have changed, since the range has changed from this range to this range. So the new stop loss will be on that here, right? So I'll have another stop loss there. Sorry, another stop loss there. Okay. So if I have another stop loss there, I might now have another opportunity again. So this is how you trade actually. You just wait for the trend to come back down. If you miss one move, you just wait for it to come down and you buy again. Same thing as a downtrend. You wait for it to come back up, you sell again. Wait for it to come back up. That's all we do. Nothing much. Just that it's quite tough because you are dealing with money, real money, and your heart may be beating someone, and you may be tempted to do things that are not working in your favor. Right? So trading is very simple. It's just not easy. So you can have another stop loss there. So a reversal condition is just to spook people out, just to scare you away from your trade. You understand? So we believe that this is how the structure of the trend is going. Okay, the trend may continue and keep going. So uh, people will keep on keeping their buying new trades and putting their stop loss there.
CGI.
Yeah.
A question.
Okay.
Like this your session of stop loss and your take profit now.
Yeah.
Like when would you know where to put your take profit? Like when the trade should when the chart to reach this point now. Let me take my profit there. How would you know as the chart to reach that level? Like how would you able to see your take profit and your stop loss? Like how would you set them? What is the current market price?
And most
Like
times,
how would you know that this
most times you just set your take profits to the high. If you're on an uptrend, let's say you bought here, usually take your profit
like
here.
for like from you're expecting this the chart to go to that price. Like it has not yet shown on the chart yet. It's future.
Yeah.
You're expecting it.
Yes.
And so how do you know that the chart will flow to that your point that you set it?
Uh,
Is it from previous candlesticks you used to set your take profit? You get what
previous
I
can
mean?
yeah, 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 yeah. Of course, now we use the previous candlesticks. We observe. Well, where you're speaking about is actually somewhere that is far. Or is it far? Let me check our course outline. We'll discuss that when we get to institutional sponsorship. So it's not that far again.
Okay. You see that one now. I separate
Yeah,
Abi.
that one is separate. This one I'm just trying to explain what a reversal is and what the basic concept
Okay,
is.
okay,
Yes, we'll
No,
get there. Just calm down.
since it, okay, no, I should have noticed that one. I thought I just explained.
No. All right now. Okay, so um, basically, what a reversal condition is just to spook everybody out. So let's say everybody's winning. It's a good trend. Everybody's happy. You get so the price could just do something like this. Let's say can do something like this and create a lower low here. Okay, so everybody may now think that that is a new downtrend for me. Okay, so once we create a lower low here, most people may be thinking that, hey, downtrend has started, but it's just a trick. In a reversal condition, this is just a trick. All right, so it will now do like this. Okay, now this is where the fugazi starts. I mean, how will I put it? The finessing. All right, so um, this place may now be so. First of all these places are just areas where we can buy. Okay, so let me just well, let me just ignore that first. So basically, we may think that a new downtrend has started. So once we get up here, we may now be preparing to start selling. So people may be preparing to start selling. Okay, there are ways to avoid getting stuck in a reversal, but sometimes it's unavoidable. You understand? But there are ways, and we'll learn such ways very soon. So the price may now come uh up here, and the people will start selling. Right? People will sell here. So here now, people are going to sell. People might sell around here. Okay, so somebody may decide that, oh, at this place I want to sell this pair. Okay, so he will go ahead and sell it there. Right, so this reversal just tricked everybody to think that this is a downtrend. This thing may just come down, something like this. Okay, do something like that, and then boom, it continues running higher. Okay, it continues to go up. So this may be how a reversal looks. So first of all, let's study what happened. First of all, we are in a steady uptrend, right? So we're in a steady uptrend. And what the reversal does is that it just comes and takes out a particular lower, higher low. Takes out a higher low. This guy here, he takes out that guy. So everybody now thinks that this trend is now bearish. All right. So if you are buying before, everybody may have closed their position, close their position, close their position. All right. So if they close all their position, they are selling off their position at a profit or something like that. You get so everybody sells off their position, and whoever caused this manipulation right now, whoever caused this manipulation would now buy all their orders. It's like you sold your share in the company. Okay, somebody will definitely be there to buy it up from you for you to get your money. You get so that's where the people that cause this manipulation come in. Okay, they will buy up your position, and you may now start selling. Okay, you may now start selling, but they are buying. So they scared you out of the trend. They scared you out of a potentially making more money. You understand? So, and if you sold again, you would lose once this price flies above here. So basically, let's define number three. Three, reversal. Condition where people are tricked out of a potential money making opportunity, or forced out of a, a good trade. Okay, so this is all that a reversal is. Okay, so a condition where people are tricked out of a potential money making opportunity or forced out of a good trade. All right, so that's what a reversal is. A condition where people are tricked out of a potential money making opportunity or forced out of a good trade. So that's just basically it. So in this case now, um, if you are in a trend now, okay, so let's say you're buying, okay, I once mentioned that some of these lows are not strong. So some of them are strong, all right? So we may say this one is, if let's assume that I'm marking all the strong ones now, all right? I'm marking all the strong ones. Let me say I mark this one again as a strong low. We'll learn how to identify strong lows later. I think. Let me check where it is in the course outline. Uh, Strong lows. Okay, I think this is where we'll discuss it. Types of liquidity. Okay, okay, quite far. All right. But basically, we don't expect price to go under any of these strong lows. If price go under any of them, the trend has changed to further notice, like I said before. Right. So let me now say this place now is a weak low. Right. Let's say these two are weak lows. All right. Newbies or beginner traders or people that are not experienced enough, once the price goes below a weak low like this, okay, let's all these strong lows are very very good places to put your stop loss. If your stop loss hits on a strong low, just know that the trend has changed. Just get out of your trade and relax, because you are right by cutting your losses, okay. But sometimes there are certain lows that are just reversals, they're just liquidity, they're just a way to trick people out of their position, right? So once it goes below this weak low, some people may be tricked that okay, a downtrend has started. So they're expecting something like this to happen. They're expecting something like this to happen. Bang, 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 bang. Okay. But alas, what may happen is what will likely happen is something like this. May just do like this, and come again, and then boom. Okay. So shock everybody and continue going up. So that's likely what's going to happen in that case. My mouse. All right. So some of them are weak and some of them are strong. So if it goes below a week low, all right, if it goes below a week support, that is not a sign that the trend has changed to further notice. That is just a sign of manipulation. Okay, so we would later learn how to identify the weak ones and the strong ones. Okay, so everything is just a process. Slowly, 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 everything will come together for you guys. All right, so that is a reversal condition. Let's check out some reversal conditions on the chart. Let's just look at examples on the chart. Where's my chart? Uh, yes. Okay. Yes. So you can see here, um, all these guys are weak highs. Okay. But somebody that is a beginner trader may be scared when they see this jump like this. They say, "Oh, so powerful! Oh my God, this is bullish." All right. So they may come once the price come down here. They may start buying. Let me see. The area they will buy maybe somewhere around here. They may start buying around here. For example, okay, we don't know for sure where they buy, but they may start buying around here, but they will just be run out like that. Vroom. Their stop loss will be taken. Some of them will not set stop loss. I've seen so many traders do it. I don't know why. Okay, I know why, Sha. It's because they are scared of being wrong. Okay, so because sometimes you may set your stop loss and the price will hit your stop loss and later go to wherever your direction is. But that's not enough reason to not set your stop loss. That's just part of the game. Right? Sometimes you will lose and it's okay. Just take your loss and go and sleep. Sometimes you make money as well. Some people don't set up stop loss. So once this thing goes down like this, they're in loss, they are crying, lamenting about how Forex is gambling. You understand? So this is an example of a reversal. So they took out all these ones, all these highs, all these people that are here. They may trick you into thinking that another trend has started. they'll trick you, and then the downtrend continues. Okay, so another example is here where we form a higher high. All right, we form the higher high. Everybody saying, "Oh, wow, nice, higher high is a bullish environment. Let's buy here," and boom, we are taken out of the trade. All right, let's look at another example. Yes, look here. You can see, you can see this place now. This high was taken out here, just a little bit. All right, just a little bit, just to trick everybody that may have been selling. All right, so if you were selling and you saw that, and you don't know that this is just a weak high, you may close your sell position and start buying, and that's how you are taken out of the trade. That's how you are robbed of whatever goodies you may have procured in that situation. So these things happen many times. Example again, like this reversals are like the essence of the market. All right, if you can get on the right side of a reversal, you can learn to get on the right side, you will be safe. Not just you'll be safe, your life will be okay. All right, so you can see here a lower low, and then when we came to know that when we make a lower low now, we'll be expecting this as a retracement. So we will just come here and say we would sell around there. And if you zoom in, you can see that the price actually sold off a little bit. It started going down. When we came up to this place that was supposed to be there's supposed to be a resistance, the price came down a bit and then just ran up aggressively. Like if your stop loss was there, you will almost cry when you see this because it's so fast and sharp. You understand? You just be like, how did I not just buy? You understand? So there are troubles and tribulations here. I don't think it's easy at all. I don't think it's easy. All right. So that was another example. Look at here again. This is another example here. Like if you go to your chart, there are so many higher high, lower high, higher high, lower low. You may think that is a new trend, but alas, higher high. All right. So in this case now, what we can say is that this low right here was a weak low. This low was a weak low. Okay. For somebody else may be thinking that is a strong low, and once we take that low, is a new trend. But no, it just means that it is a trick, and you should just wait for the trick to be over so you can continue your trade. All right. So let's look at more examples because this reversal it was hard for me to get it. So I'll be assuming the same for you guys. You can see here too. So I'll just try and give you guys as many examples as possible. Okay. So we have a high here, lower high, higher high, and look at that aggressiveness. Okay, this aggressiveness is very common with reversals. Look at that aggressiveness, how fast it went, boom, and sold off for a while before we actually continued. Right? So if this one was a reversal, okay, but it still did not really change the bullishness of the market there. Don't actually be scared of this reversal. And that reversal is here, I think. Yes. You can see all these guys that are weak highs, all these ones here, they are weak. So once this guy came out and took them out, it came out and just took them out. You may think that that is a new trend or something like that, but we just sold off from there. So that's basically how reversals work. There are so many examples on the chart. So you may say what people are just taught basically is higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But sometimes we are not taught that you can make a lower low but still continue going. You understand? So That's reversal. Reversal is just basically manipulation and trick. And anytime that you hear somebody shouting about manipulation, maybe I was stopped out, something like that, just know that what happened to them is a reversal. What happened to them is a reversal. Okay. So yeah, that's just basically it. Does anybody have any question? Any question?
CJ,
Mm.
what's the difference between retracement and reversal?
Um, Retracement does not take a lower low. Okay, how do I put it? How do
Can
I
you show
put it?
on chart? Can you show on chart? Can you show on chart?
Okay, okay, chill. So the difference between a retracement and a reversal is that a retracement does not really trick anybody. A retracement is what is normally supposed to happen. So let me see. Let me show you for example now. You can see the price going down. We retrace here. All right. So no trick happening. We retraced, came down, retraced. Okay. If it's a reversal, it will go above here and continue falling. All right. So we came down here again. A retracement will not go and take this high. A retracement will not take this high. A retracement will stay under there because that is supposed to be strong. All right. So a retracement, if we are retracing, we will stay under here. But since this is a reversal, it went just above it and reversed. All right. So retracement, we go again. This is a reversal here. So it goes above the high instead of staying under the previous low. Sorry, under the previous high, it went above it and still continued. So retracements are just very simple. They go and they don't take the previous strong support or resistance. They don't take that one. But reversal will take it and still continue going where it's going. That's the difference. Do you get it?
Okay.
Let me add more examples. Your okay is not convincing. Look at this place. We have a high. This is a retracement. This is a retracement. It comes down, lower, high, higher, high. A reversal, lower, low, lower, low here, then higher, high. Okay, so and that reversal here, lower, low. Took out all these lows. So all these lows that are taken up by reversal are called liquidity, but we've not really gotten there. We get there in this area, liquidity pools. All right, so you guys will basically not understand reversals completely, but we'll be adding ideas onto it. Okay, so um you may not get everything at once, but when we go deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper, this reversal condition now as it is not exactly what I'm teaching you. All right, it's just the foundation for you to understand what to come later. Okay, the main thing about reversals are liquidity pools. Okay, this is the main thing you want to learn.
CJ,
Yeah,
I thought reversal is something like, let me say, the market now is on an uptrend now.
yeah,
Like people are buying, 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 buying.
yeah,
People are buying, buying. Then it gets to a certain point now that the market starts to get exhausted.
yeah.
Like people are no longer buying. People are getting exhausted now. The people are no longer buying. The candlestick you start to get low. The candle starts to get low now. Then
Mm.
the market is already exhausted now. Then it now starts to change direction down to a downtrend.
Uh,
It's not something like that.
no, it's not something like that. Reversal is just a trick. It may happen like that, but in that case, when the market is getting exhausted, that means that is the that uptrend is. Let me show you what will happen in that case now. Okay, let me show you what happened in that case. So let's say uh let's say you're on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, you're on the 1 hour time frame and people are buying. People are buying. People are buying, 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 buying. Okay, and the trend gets exhausted, and then it goes like this, boom. Okay, that is a reversal. Yes, this condition now is a reversal, but what will likely cause this reversal is that you do not go and check a higher time frame what is happening. On a daily chart now, there may be something on the right. You may see a downtrend on the right here. Okay, but all those people that are buying did not see this thing because they are just on their 1 hour time frame and did not check what was happening before. So there may be something at the left, at the left, okay, that caused this thing to happen. Right? So a reversal is just what I'm showing you now. Okay, it's just a manipulation that tricks people into thinking that the trend has changed, but it really hasn't. All right. So if you check the bias of the main trend, you realize that the reversal is just a trick you grab. But um, you guys should not how would I put this? Don't get it too twisted in your head. If you don't even understand it like that, just keep it in your mind.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes, ask your question.
Yeah, in a case that there's a break of structure, like
Yeah,
one structure broke and market reverse to touch another other block, then reverse back, like put down to its normal direction.
chill.
Do you
Okay,
understand that?
this is an uptrend or downtrend.
Like a situation whereby market is going in a downtrend,
Okay,
then it broke one structure. So after breaking down structure, the trend that broke its structure, it find its way back to another block there. It's
wait.
something like a pullback. Yeah?
Just guide me. Okay, I'll be using my polyline to draw what you are saying. So we're in a downtrend,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, downtrend.
Okay, lower highs and lower lows. So what now happened?
Yeah. So market, okay, as it broke that structure,
Yes.
then pull back up, then come back again.
Pull back up
So what
like
happened there?
this, like this.
No, like yeah, it's okay like that.
Okay, then did what?
Like just to mitigate another block
Yes.
like that, like mitigate another block or so. Yeah.
Uh,
So what happened in that scenario? Yeah.
this it came up here and then continue like this.
Yes, and it continued in its normal direction.
That's a
That's reversal,
retracement.
right?
That's a retracement.
Retrace.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. A reversal will take it. Will take that high. A reversal will take it and still continue. That's the difference.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So in a case that their liquidity above maybe trend line liquidity equalize and all that, so it will take all that,
Yeah, it will take
then
it will take
continue
all that
in
and
its normal
continue.
direction.
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Any other person? Do you understand reversal? Or you have a problem somewhere?
Bros, I have problems there. I know the year higher high, lower low, other block, this one, that one. I need to
No,
like
no,
pinpoint
no,
this
don't
one.
mind, don't mind that guy. That guy, they bring advanced concept. You never reach there. I just the try explain now. See what the guy they talk. The guy is talking about what to talk about later. Don't worry, we never reach there. Other block is
I have,
just is
I have a question.
is a support or resistance. Yeah, who is that
Good
asking a
evening,
question now?
sir.
Yeah, good evening. Hello.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, speak.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah,
Yeah. Sir, hello, hello.
yeah, I can hear
Yeah,
you
my
now.
question, sir.
Mm.
When, sir,
Yeah, I can hear you.
my question, sir, what can we say about some structure that it will weak off, that the week of the candlestick will weak
Yes.
off all the stop loss,
Mm.
kick every of the trader out of the market, then move in that direction. So what is that one reversal or retracement?
It's a reversal. As long as it trick people, it's a reversal. So
Can you hear me?
what you're saying is this now. What you're describing is this. Everybody is going. Let's say we have a trend line now. This is a trend line, okay? And then we have something like this, a healthy trend. Okay, so the thing is just climbing. Thing is just climbing. Maybe we have something doing all these things over here. Okay, so it's climbing slowly,
Okay.
and then it weak everybody out and continues. Abi,
Yes.
okay, that's the reversal
Yes.
now.
Yes.
That's reversal as well.
Okay. My
Yeah.
my my second question is
Yes.
that when we have a change in character,
Uh.
I do look for an other block to take my trade.
Yeah.
But there are some times when there is a change in character, a break in structure, there's nothing like the mitigation or mitigation won't occur. It will just start moving up like that. Uh,
Yes. 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 Yes.
I'm
That
wondering,
usually
most
happens.
of the
What happened
time I
there?
miss that market, sir, is there any way that someone can just know when it's going to mitigate and it's going to mitigate
Yes. There's ways to
again?
understand it. Okay. So what you're talking about now is when we get to uh model one, model two, and model three. Primary inducement, secondary inducement, unsupported swing. So it's a very far topic. So what usually happens sometimes, let me just describe it to you. Let me just describe it to you. So most times what happens in the market is that uh the price will always mitigate. So it will come down.
Okay, sir.
Yes, it will always mitigate like this. So let's say down here there are other blocks. Abi, yeah, with me.
Other block at that point.
Yeah.
There are other blocks at that point at
Yes.
that
So
place.
basically, the price keeps on mitigating, but sometimes it may just go like this and it won't really come down there and just continue. All right. So what we call that thing is what probably happened there is a secondary inducement, or it is an unsupported swing in price that will later be taken out. All right. But if it's a secondary inducement, it will not be taken out later on. It is strong. But if it's unsupported, it will still be taken out in the long run. But we've not gotten there, Sha. It happens sometimes, and you guys will learn which time we should expect it. You cannot predict it totally. Oh. You cannot totally predict it, but at least you can know when you can expect it. So later topic, my man.
CGI,
Yeah.
you
Yes, I can hear you.
I thought this is for actually beginners. When you saw this guy that is scratching my head like this, and you calm down, let's get into
When
the
they
more
now we start they try talk, now when they calm down, they are traders that are trying
started meeting
to solve their problem. So that's why they are here.
Jesus Christ. They do it in class where slow and steady.
Anyhow, Sha, does anybody still have a question? I want to end here today, because of my battery. Does anybody have question?
Just if you can like put more light on that reversal and see how you should do this.
What exactly are you having issues with?
Like when you say concerning that support and resistance, is it when it's about to resistance or is it to do the reversal when it's to do the support?
I didn't hear you. Come again.
We're saying about resistance and this support right? Is it
Yes.
when it's about to resistance in reversal or when it's
Uh, no. If it's a reversal would go above. Don't confuse yourself. Okay. Let me.
Hey, see, Jerry, before I forget, you know that chat patterns.
Yes.
You know you can't understand this without learning chat patterns.
I don't use chat patterns. Oh.
There's some kind. You don't see this chat patterns before. The chat patterns. Don't
Yeah.
worry, I'm
Yeah.
watching that for WhatsApp for you. You go see.
Those
I'm
those
watching that for
buy
WhatsApp
and
for you.
sell
You go see.
models, Abi. Just send them. Shall let me see. But I don't usually use
I'm watching
those.
that for WhatsApp for you.
No wahala.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah, I'm watching that for you. You go see.
All right. Okay. So you're asking. Let me show you guys something. Abi, let me show you. Okay. So we have uptrend and downtrend. Have uptrend and downtrend. So support support is the low and resistance is the high. So all these people, let me do this. Okay, so all the people that are all the lows are called support because when sometimes because most times when price hits them, price usually bounce. What happened? So all these places are called supports. This is called the support. This is called the support. That is this is a downtrend now, okay? So all these are called supports. So in a downtrend, all the supports are being smashed, but the resistances are intact. Okay. But in an uptrend, look at this uptrend now, for example. This uptrend, for example, now. Let me take it somewhere else. This uptrend now. Okay, so in this uptrend, let me show you the support that we have. This is a support. Okay, so all the lows are support. All the lows are support. All the lows are support. This is a support. This is a support. This is a support. As well as this. So in an uptrend, we don't expect the support to be taken out, only the resistance. While in a downtrend, we expect the support to be smashed, but not the resistance. Do you understand that concept? Okay, Chuku. Okay, do you get that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
I want
so
to resist.
what happens in a reversal now is that people are tricked. So let's say we are in an uptrend, so we are not expecting any of our support to be taken out. A reversal may just take a support, but still continue the uptrend. So that's the only thing that a reversal does. Okay, so in an uptrend, the reversal will take a support that we don't expect it to take a support and still continue. So a reversal in a downtrend condition, it will take a resistance. You can see that all the resistance are protected in the downtrend, but a reversal might just come along, take a resistance, and still continue taking support, going lower. Do you get?
So, this is more understandable now. I get
Uh-huh.
it.
Yes. So that's just it. That's just it. Any other question concerning reversal? Any question? Nobody?
No question, but just the absolute issue of hindsight.
Mm.
I think that
Yeah.
a reversal, I think that a reversal in some cases
Yeah.
can be a retracement on a higher time frame.
Yes. Yes. It's very rare. It's very very rare that it's not a retracement. That a new trend just form out of nowhere. It's quite rare. So most times a reversal is just a retracement, but it tricks people while retracing. It just tricks people out and spooks everybody out. That's it. Yes. So reversal and retracement are very similar, but for you to spot a reversal, you have to go on a higher time frame and know which of your support and resistance are actually strong, which ones you should count on, and which one you should be expecting price to go above or go below. So that's just the difference. So any other person, no other question, yeah? Okay, so today, for your assignments, there is no assignments. So I'm just giving you guys today as a break because
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
is
Praise
that
the Lord. Oh.
hallelujah.
Hey, DJ, I go send the card, man.
I say I beg send that. So some of you are actually very struggling very well. So I understand that you guys have busy lives as well. So no assignment today. You guys should just chill. The next check will happen probably weekend, I think. I think
See, there are a lot of eviction still
eviction still day today now. Those people will never submit two assignments or they did not tell me when they will submit everything. Those people are going out today. That's what's happening. But for today, we will not have an assignment. You guys should just chill, just like a break time from all the work. So tomorrow we'll still continue and talk more about reversals. So that's why I can't even give you guys assignment yet because I'm not sure that you people even understand it well enough to do an assignment on it. So yeah, no assignment today. Does anybody still have any other question before we close? Good-
Evening,
Yes, good evening.
it's only a question, but kind of a suggestion.
Hmm.
I know that in this class, some people are good others.
Yes.
I think I would be good if we should have just one setup
One set,
instead of
one
bringing
what?
up just one teacher. Because the issue of bringing up other things, chat pattern, other blocks, all those things,
Yeah,
is going to make some sense.
yeah,
It's going to make us look into what will confuse them more instead
yeah.
of following a pattern. So I would just suggest and advise
Well,
if you are above all, just
just
calm down. Yes,
yeah.
make the meaning of this so that
Okay.
you won't be misled or towards you will not. That is just my own.
All right. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Not everyone. Sorry, let me just read the chat. Okay, everybody's complaining about the people asking their question. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Exactly. If you know that you've not gotten to what you want to ask, please just keep it to yourself. But if you want to ask, you can still ask. But most times I'll just tell you that you should wait till later. You understand? But please just try and bear with everybody else. Let's just go at a slow pace so that everybody can be carried along. You understand? And if somebody asks a question that is too advanced for you, don't really listen to it. Don't let it to confuse what you already know. Just try and focus on what the class has taught. Okay, ignore whatever advanced question somebody is asking. Just hold the one that I gave you and keep it to yourself. Whatever that person asks, just trust me that I will later teach about it later on. You understand? This training, almost everything is here. Uh, Literally everything. Let me just put it like that. You understand? This training is a paid training, but I'm just running a test for now with you guys. So just know that what you are getting here is very, very valuable and everything. There's not almost nothing that you will not really learn how to mitigate in this class. You understand? What I'm teaching, you may not learn all the concepts in the world, but this one will really cover whatever any concept in the world would want to cover. So that's basically it. Try not to focus on what somebody else is saying. Just understand what you were taught. Simple. All right. So any other person, who is that person? Who is that person that promised me card? Let me not forget because right now I'm really burning data. Who is that person? Let me follow you up. Who is that? You don't want to come up again, have you?
guys, before I get out, I will
Okay, no, la. Thanks. All right, guys. So we'll end here, Sha. No assignment today. I will start evicting people after this class. So good luck to everybody that managed to make it, and see you later to anybody that didn't. All right. So thank you guys for attending today's meeting, man. See you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Good night, boy.
Good night,
Good
my
night.
man. Good night.
Night.